Yo, the way I am telling my people, everybody who have time to watch me, my grandfather left something for me. So I want to see whether what my grandfather left for me, it was still working or is not still working. If the thing is there, everybody who have time to watch me, you will see that what my grandfather left for me, it was still working. See what my grandfather left for me. Everybody should let in mind to watch something inside this calabash. There is nothing inside. When you will see that there's empty calabash. See something. Okay, that's one. Everybody has seen that there's nothing inside. Okay, this is a pot. This pot is a magic pot. See something. See. Everybody should let in mind to come on me and see inside this pot. There is nothing inside this pot. And this small calabash, there is nothing inside. And the same calabash as this one, there is nothing inside. Everybody should see what my grandfather left for me. Yim. Yim. Oh, ndelewane, ndele ni bibore, ndelewane, ndele malakonde, brakulo, mfinga kulo. Oh, manyana koso mbule futu, mpemba, nkoso mbule futu, ntremba, amul feka mote kashinte, manyana ngefeka mote kashinte. Amon kamota, mun feka mkamota, amplek man mun kabuke, mbule futimba. Amplek man kabuke, mbule futimba. Wherever you are, I command you to come right now. My grandfather, Dramani, what you have left for me, if you are there with the truth, you can let me see everything really. I command everything to come, what I need to come right now. Come! See what my grandfather have left for me. This one is a white art, like the way I show you people. There is nothing inside. You. Everybody to watch what I can do. This one is what? In dollars. My brothers and sisters, let your minds to come on me. I am the only one who was holding the key to open for you. The road that you have been passing, you have been not getting what you want. Run away and come to me, and your life and your destiny to change for you. There is nothing that you need from me, you will not get it. Chief of Wafo. I am the only person in Northern region. When you reach Northern region, take my contact on the screen. Take my contact and call me, and your life and your destiny will change for you. I am the only person who was holding the key to open the road for you. Everything that you have been doing in this world, you will not be getting what you want. Charlie, my brother, what are you waiting for? What are you suffering for? Because of this, you will enter a lot of problems. So a lot of spiritual men, they say they can help. But up to now, they cannot do it for you. My brother, run away and come to me. And what you want and your life and your destiny to change for you. What my grandfather left for me is still working. So that's why I am showing any person that who have time to watch what I'm doing. Those people, somebody called me and said that all my program, why is I'm promoting only dollars? I want people to only dollar they talk. So that's why I'm moving dollars. What you want and your life and your destiny, it will change for you. Yo, there are some people who went to some place. They say that if though when you went to some place, when our goal, you see what I can do. What is this? It's blood. It's only blood. When you went to some place, even though the boss was demanding something like blood, not that you go and kill your mother or your father or your family member, the God himself, they will bring it for us. And we will use it and do what we want. Don't let any man to lie to you and tell them go and kill somebody and then you go and do that. When you need something, the God himself, they will bring light the way they bring it to me. Watch here. When any people are suffering for lotto number, if you need lotto, run and come to me. I can let you stick lotto and win the lotto. When you are coming to me to do the lotto work, you are not bringing any money. You are just buying only 2 sheep, male and female. Only 2 sheep. Listen to me. Male one and the female one. That's the only items that you bring for me for the lotto issue. And your life and your destiny, it will change for you. I am the only one person in northern region here, T-Town, can let your life change for you. My brother and sister. What do you know that you are suffering for? My brother, run and come to me. I can let everything to be okay for you, my brother. Take my contact on the screen and call me, and your life and your destiny, it will change for you. I want to end my program here. Any person who have time to watch me, I'm greeting everybody in northern region in Ghana here. Thank you.